Why he never went back there again. Ethan loved visiting his grandmother's house. She lived in a small town near the forest. Every summer, Ethan spent 1 week there. It was quiet, peaceful, and full of memories. Her house was old, with wooden floors that made soft, creaking sounds when you walked. There was no internet, no TV, only books, puzzles, and the smell of cookies in the oven. Ethan didn't mind. He liked the slow life. But one summer, something strange happened. It was Ethan's last night there. The sky was dark and cloudy. Rain tapped against the windows. He couldn't sleep, so he sat on the bed and read a book. Then, knock, knock, knock. He froze. Someone was knocking at the back door. His grandma was already asleep in the next room. No one ever came to visit at night. Ethan walked slowly through the kitchen. The rain got louder. He reached the door. The knock came again. Knock, knock, knock. He opened it. No one was there. Only the sound of the wind and the trees moving in the dark. Ethan looked around. Nothing. He closed the door, locked it, and went back to his room. But just as he sat down, he heard something else. A laugh. Very quiet. A child's laugh. He turned off the light. Outside, near the trees, he saw a small figure, a girl. She was standing in the rain, not moving. Ethan's heart started to beat faster. She waved. He didn't wave back. Then she ran into the forest and disappeared. The next morning, Ethan asked his grandmother, "Does anyone live near the trees?" She shook her head. "No, not anymore. There used to be a family there. They had a little girl, but..." "But what?" "There was a fire, many years ago. No one lived there after that." Ethan felt cold. That summer was the last time he visited. He never said why. He just told his parents, "I don't want to go back there again." The end.